The OV-10 Bronco is one of the most unique aircraft ever built in American aviation history, a design that perfectly blended simplicity, toughness, and versatility. Built by North American Rockwell in the late 1960s, this twin turboprop light attack and observation aircraft was originally created for the United States military to handle the growing demand for counter-insurgency and reconnaissance missions during the Vietnam War. Its creators wanted something small, powerful, and flexible enough to operate from short or even rough runways close to the front lines. The result was the OV-10 Bronco, an aircraft that quickly became known for its incredible ability to see the battlefield, hit hard when needed, and survive in harsh conditions. When the Bronco first took to the skies, it was different from anything else in the U.S. arsenal. It wasn't fast like a jet or heavily armored like a bomber, but what it offered was control, visibility, and reliability. The aircraft's twin-boom design, high-mounted wings, and large canopy gave its crew a full panoramic view of the battlefield below. It could carry rockets, bombs, gun pods, or even small paratroopers inside its cargo bay. Because of its short takeoff and landing ability, it could operate from jungle clearings, dirt roads, or improvised airfields. During the Vietnam War, American pilots learned to love it for its maneuverability and stability at low speeds, allowing them to fly close to the ground, identify targets, and coordinate airstrikes with pinpoint precision. After the Vietnam era, the OV-10 served with the U.S. Air Force, Navy, and Marine Corps in various roles, from observation to forward air control and even light attack operations. But as newer, faster aircraft arrived, the Bronco began to fade from American frontline service. Yet the aircraft's story was far from over. While the U.S. began retiring its Broncos, another nation recognized its lasting potential, the Philippines. The Philippines Air Force, known for operating in mountainous jungles and remote island areas, found the Bronco to be a perfect fit for their needs. The aircraft's rugged design, ability to fly low and slow, and capacity to operate from short airstrips made it ideal for counter-insurgency missions against rebel groups in the southern regions. It was in the Philippines where the Bronco earned a second life, continuing to fight decades after it left American service. In the hands of Filipino pilots, the OV-10 Bronco became more than just a warplane, it became a symbol of endurance and dependability. The aircraft has seen combat in numerous operations across the archipelago, from Mindanao to Sulu, supporting ground troops with precision strikes and reconnaissance missions. Many pilots in the Philippines Air Force praise the Bronco for being extremely easy to maintain, able to take damage and keep flying, and perfectly suited for the tropical climate. Despite being an older design, it has continued to deliver outstanding performance because of its simplicity and strong construction. Over the years, the Philippine Air Force worked to keep their Broncos updated and mission-ready. Some were upgraded with modern avionics, infrared sensors, and night vision systems, allowing them to operate in both day and night conditions. The aircraft also proved its worth in humanitarian missions and disaster response, transporting supplies or scouting areas hit by typhoons. That flexibility, shifting from combat to rescue operations, shows why the OV-10's design was far ahead of its time. Even though the U.S. no longer operates the Bronco as a frontline aircraft, its legacy continues to influence modern aviation. The aircraft's concept of being lightweight, multi-role, and affordable inspired future designs like the Embraer A29 Super Tucano, which the Philippines is now acquiring to eventually replace the Bronco. However, many pilots still say there's something special about flying the old OV-10. It has a personality, a raw, mechanical feel that modern digital aircraft can't replicate. For decades, the OV-10 Bronco has served as a bridge between eras. Built by America for counter-insurgency warfare, it became an essential part of the Philippines' defense strategy. While most aircraft of its generation have long disappeared, the Bronco continues to fly proudly under the Philippine flag, proving that good design and solid engineering never truly die. It is a flying legend that began its journey in American factories but found its lasting legacy in the skies of Southeast Asia. Even today, when the Philippine Air Force conducts operations, the sound of the Bronco's twin propellers echoes across the mountains and islands, a sound that reminds everyone of a timeless warrior still doing its job. The OV-10 Bronco is a perfect example of American innovation and Philippine resilience coming together in one remarkable machine.